2025 Meat Thermometer Digital. The 2025 Meat Thermometer Digital by FVFV is a noteworthy addition to any kitchen, designed meticulously for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With dimensions of 6.5 into 2 into 1.77 inches and weighing just 4.64 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance between portability and functionality. Its compact size makes it easy to handle while ensuring it can be stored without effort in any kitchen drawer or tool organizer. Functionality is at the heart of the 2025 Meat Thermometer. It features rapid temperature readings, allowing users to gauge the doneness of meat within seconds, which is crucial for achieving perfect results every time. The thermometer is designed to provide precise and reliable readings, significantly reducing the risk of undercooked or overcooked meats, thereby enhancing both flavor and safety. Constructed with user-friendliness in mind, the thermometer's intuitive interface allows for effortless operation. It requires minimal setup, meaning you can focus more on your culinary endeavors than on navigating complicated menus or buttons. Whether you're cooking a thick steak or roasting a chicken, you can expect